Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. Now I will be discussing the most important, that is the Karnataka School Examination Assessment Board, that is SSLC Model Question Paper 2 Science, and this is the second part of my discussion, that is part B. I will be discussing all the chemistry questions. So let us begin our discussion. Samra, hi, nice to see you online. Then Zia, hi, nice to see you online. That means most of the students are online, and that shows the level of interest you people are showing towards what? Towards your subjects, okay. So that shows the level of interest. And hello everyone, Silly BG, hi online. So yes, so PDF, yes, definitely dear, as soon as I finish I will just share the PDF to you all. Yes, Mohammad Rehan, good evening sir, I saw your timetable very good. So see, please go and see the timetable. I have discussed the timetable and how many days gap you are having for each subject. So you will be having first English, then after that you will be having 2 days gap, then maths, then 1 day gap Kannada. Like this, you should plan accordingly. Only 68 days are remaining for your board exams, and getting timetable is like getting the date fixed for your marriage, okay. So when the marriage date is fixed, how all the arrangements, all the functions get in line, same thing it is like getting the timetable includes what? The preparation. So how well you should prepare based on the subjects you should prepare. So for science you are having 3 days gap, okay. So if you that is you are having 3 days gap for science, you will be having it on 2nd of April. So in 3 days 1 day you can spare for physics, chemistry and biology. Like that in Kannada you are having only 1 day gap, that is second language Kannada and English, you are having only 1 day gap. So how well you should be prepared. So this timetable will give an idea for preparation, and that all I have discussed in the timetable session. Kindly go and watch it, okay. So any kind of issues or suggestion you can let me know. And only solving model question paper will not make you score more marks. Model question papers are those which will let you know the model answers, that means how you should write the answer and how the questions will appear. But if you just thoroughly read both the model question paper, you can just pass by taking 30 to 40 marks, that I can assure you. But that marks is also very much important, and model question paper will give an idea that how you should write creatively and how you should design the answer. The more perfection you can able to write. Yes, Raghunatha, hi Raghunath, so nice to see you online today. So most students are online, so not wasting much time, I will be starting. And see, only 68 days are remaining. Every day I am just counting the days, and each and every day is very much important, okay. So if you just start if you just start just focusing more on the particular subject, definitely you will improve, okay. And each and every day you should read and practice more last year question papers, textual question answers. At least read 3 times every textbook, then only you can able to connect to any question, and it is not very difficult. The more you start reading, your mind will start connecting and you will become in line with the subject, okay. So anything it is you come to, you just let me know by call or by any kind of suggestion. And if you want to improve by scoring package, by passing packages, you can just call to the above number 8123426450. Our team will connect to you, and 12 set of books you can get, okay, in which every subject has 2 books. So eventually it will improve. Many students are getting it and they are giving very positive response. So like this, even I am putting efforts every day, maximum days I am coming online and coming with the quality content, so that you people get more knowledge about the concept and you can uplift your studies, okay. So hello everyone, Jyoti is online, hi Jyoti. Sir, then are you CBSE? Samra is asking. No dear, I'll just focus more on state syllabus of Karnataka SSLC board presently. Subsequently in the next years I can move into, but this year I am only focusing on the Karnataka SSLC board itself, okay. So yes, so my name is not Raghunath, my name is Ranganath, okay, sorry Ranganath, so I should see from the far distance. So Ranganath, hello online. Moksha, hello Moksha, nice to see you online now. So not wasting much time, I'll just begin with what? The discussion of the answers, okay. So yes, let us begin begin with what? Discussion of the answers. So you can see the first question here. See, an alloy that is made up of copper and zinc. So already the model answer has been provided here, that is brass. Remember, brass is an alloy of what? Copper and zinc. Similarly, second one, this is from metals and non-metals. So I'll just move it fast because already I am late. I need to move on to biology part also. So I'll be bit fast today so that I can come up finish maximum portion today. Okay. So next one is the reactant that exchange ions by reacting each other to form precipitate. See, which reaction it is? Can you tell me which reaction in which there is an exchange of ion takes place? Can somebody tell me which is the reaction in which there is an exchange of ion takes place? Can somebody comment in the comment section with what type of that reaction is called here? So can somebody in the comment section let me know what is that reaction is called as? So it is called as what? Double displacement reaction. Remember, the reaction in which exchange of ions takes place is called as what? Double displacement reaction, or it is called as precipitation reaction. It is called as what? Precipitation reaction, and in which already in the previous model question paper we already discussed that barium chloride and sodium sulfate. Okay, you had that direct question, barium chloride. Remember, barium chloride and sodium sulfate will give you what? So yes, barium sulfate plus you will get what? Sodium chloride, and this BaSO4 is what? White precipitate. So you can expect one question like this, that which of the following, they will give equation, and which of the following compound, okay, will give you the white precipitate. The right answer is what? It is barium sulfate. Okay, I hope you people are understanding. Yes, alloy is homogeneous mixture of metals and non-metals. Yes, Gaurappa Pujari is telling very good. Yes, that is the right definition for alloys, dear. So I am state, and in our school first language is English. Moksha is telling very good. The first language, you see, most of the schools in Karnataka are which are aided, they are having first language Kannada, which are unaided, they are having first language English. Don't worry, both are easy and you can able and capable to study. Now coming to the next question, that is the gas liberated when sodium bicarbonate reacts with dilute HCl, that is dilute hydrochloric acid is. So what is the answer here? See, why? See, yes, sodium carbonate is there. Because of this word carbonate, so you are having what? Carbon dioxide. Remember, whenever you see this word, okay, when metals react with, remember, when metals react with acid, they give salt plus, okay, they give salt plus hydrogen gas. But when metals, okay, they react with carbonates, okay, the metals when they react with carbonates, sodium is a metal, when they react with carbonates, they give what? The metal carbonates, they will, acids reacts with metal carbonates, okay, acids when they react with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates will get salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is the answer. Okay, remember, whenever metals react with carbonates, any carbonate, it is carbonate or bicarbonate, they give carbon dioxide gas. I hope you people got it. Okay, so yes, Nitin, hello Nitin, nice to see you online. Okay, so most of the students are in line here. Next, coming to next, answer the following questions. Mention any two methods to prevent corrosion of iron metals, okay, iron materials. So how will you protect, okay, how will you protect what? The iron metals, okay, we are having many what types here. First one, you can go for painting. Second, you can go for oiling. Third, you can go for greasing. Then galvanization. Can somebody in the comment section let me know what is the meaning of galvanization here? So I can't understand the concept, okay, yes, of your board. Some discussion is happening between them. So yes, dear, see one shot videos. Yes, I am coming with the more one shot videos, dear. So yes, can you tell me electroplating? Very good. Tejas is telling plating. It is electroplating, dear. So what is galvanization? Tejaswani is telling galvanization. Very good. There is a process called galvanization and anodizing. Can somebody tell me what is the definition of galvanization and anodizing, why these processes are used in the preventing corrosion of iron? So let me know. Coating of zinc, very good Zia, nice to see that you are giving the right answer. So yes, what is galvanization? This question has come many a time. See here, galvanization is coating of iron, or galvanization is a process of coating any metal with what? Zinc. If you are just coating any metal with the zinc, we call it as what? Galvanization. Now similarly, tell me what is anodizing. Yes, you people are in line. Let me know what is anodizing, dear. So yes, so Prakash is asking, sir, how many marks will come from MC model question paper? See Prakash, here you can expect only 30 to 40 marks, maximum you can get 30 to 40 marks, that too more to more. Just you can pass by referring model question papers, because the name itself indicates model. That means the similar questions will come, but you cannot assure the same questions. Okay, even if you thoroughly read, it will just fetch you the passing marks. Again, you should go through previous year question papers and the textual things in order to understand the deep concept, and you can capable and able to score more than 90%, and still 68 days are there, and it is sufficient for you all to score good marks. Okay, take it from me, the last days what you work hard, that will only fetch you the marks. Okay, so if you are just, if you are very good, that if you are thoroughly in line from June, but if you want to score good marks, the last 3 months you should give your 100%, then only you can score maximum marks. Okay, so that is what I can assure you. Giving oxygen, take, yes, let me know here, sir, if we write anodizing enough. Yes dear, anodizing, but let me know the definition of anodizing. What is the meaning of anodizing here? Let me know. Okay, so nobody is giving, I can't understand. Social Moksha is telling, Moksha, I will come up with more scoring and passing things from social science. So yes, in subsequent days offline videos also I am uploading now. So more morning and evening I will be uploading more and more. Yes, so yes, what is the anodizing? Can somebody let me know? See here, anodizing means A for anodizing, remember A for aluminium. Okay, so A for anodizing and A for aluminium. Coating of any metal with aluminium to prevent oxidation, or to prevent to prevent the corrosion, we call it as what? Anodizing. Similarly, galvanization means what? It is a process of coating the metal with zinc in order to prevent corrosion, that is called galvanization. You may expect the question, difference between anodizing and galvanization. So yes, it increases the thickness. Muhammad Rihan is telling, no dear, anodizing is the process of coating the metal from with aluminium. Okay, that one you should know. Yes, nice to see that process of increasing the thickness of natural oxide on metal. Samra is telling, yes dear, in order to increase the thickness, but the main metal name you should mention here is aluminium. I hope you are correct. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, in a homologous series, if the first member, so if you are just referred the previous question paper thoroughly, that means the MCQ of the previous model question paper 1, you can see this question. In a homologous series, if the first member of hydrocarbon has the formula C2H4, that means it is CnH2n, that is the first member they said. Then the fifth member, so same thing, it is fifth member is what? Hexene is the sixth member. As you already know, in the previous model question paper I have discussed this. The first member is what? Ethene. That means it is ethene. C2H4 is first member, second member is propene, third member is butene, fourth member is pentene, and the fifth member is what? Fifth member is hexene, that is C6H12. Even then they said to write the molecular formula here. Then I have written the structural formula also. Since it is having the double bond, we call it as ethene. Okay, so like this you should able to do it. If you are finding it helpful, if you are getting it, so kindly like, share and subscribe, so that I can come up with more such initiatives of solving the model question papers. Not only that, previous year question papers up to your board exams I will be in line. Okay, so yes, very good. Zia is telling double bond. It shows the level of interest you are showing here. So like this, I want you to be Yes, sir, here which part will be hard? So see dear, chemistry has much hard part. Why? Because in chemistry, most important is you should know the equations and balanced chemical equations only you should write. Then second comes to physics, because there is a chapter called electricity and light. You can expect the problems which might be hard. Then biology, if you read consistently, if you remember, try to remember the biological words, and definitely biology will give you good results. Okay, so Monday maths preparatory exam there. Then Zia, tomorrow I will just solve the maths question paper of model question paper 2. If you are having preparatory now, thoroughly practice both the model question papers. Okay, so in most of the schools they have provided model question paper only as the preparatory exam paper. So most of the question will repeat as in your school and taluka level. Yes, so I hope you people are getting. Hi, yes, Akriti is online. Hello. So like this, I want you people to let me know the answer for next one. See, the next answer is thermit process has wider industrial application. Why? You know, this question is from metals and non-metals. What is a thermit process? Thermit process is used to join railway tracks. Not only that, the cracked railway tracks and the cracked machine parts, in order to join them we use what? A thermit process. Okay, see here, thermit process is the reaction of iron oxide with aluminium and is used to join the railway tracks or to join the cracked machine part. Therefore it has wider application in industrial process. Okay, so in industrial application it is there because it is used to join the cracked railway tracks, and it is also used to join the cracked machine parts. Okay, like this you should be able to do it. I hope you people are understanding. So if so, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you want to uplift your studies by any scoring package, passing packages, previous 5-year question papers solved, you can just connect to the number which is on the screen, 8123426450. Our team will deliver the books in 2 or 3 working days at your doorstep. Okay, so coming back to the next one here, balance the following equations. Okay, you should balance the following chemical equations. So here FeSO4, here 1 Fe, here you are having 2 Fe. So you should write 2 here, 2 FeSO4 will come. Then you are having Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3, it will get balanced. Similarly, CH for methane plus oxygen will give you carbon dioxide plus water. So methane, here you are having how many oxygen? 2, but here you are having 2 plus 1, 3 oxygen you are having on right hand side. So here if you just write 2, 2 2s are 4, then here if you write 2 2s are 2O plus 2O, you will give you 4O. Like this, the one which is written here is the balanced chemical equations. Okay, I hope you got it. Yes, so yes, next coming to what are alkynes, write the molecular and structural formula of benzene. So you know alkynes are nothing but they are the unsaturated hydrocarbons and which are having triple bond between the carbon atoms. Remember, if it is alkane, ANE, alkane, single bond. If it is alkene, ENE, it is a double bond. If it is a alkyne, YNE, it is if the root word, last root word is YNE, it is a triple bond. I hope you people are connecting to me. If so, just let me know any kind of queries or suggestions in the comment section so that I can come up with more such improvement in my classes. Okay, sir, for preparatory model question paper will come or not? Yes, Leelavati is asking. Definitely Leelavati, model question paper, but see, most of the schools they are providing model question papers only. So first priority is, as of now for your preparatory exam, is you should thorough with the model question paper, you should thorough with the last 5-year questions, then you should thorough with all the textual question and answers, and some scoring and passing package you should read. If you then any exam, any time they keep, you will be capable and able to solve any question in your upcoming examinations. Okay, benzene C6H6, yes, Zia, nice. Moksha, yes, nice. So, sir, second language Kannada study resources. See, already second language Kannada, today only I uploaded the PDF and the model question paper I have solved with the handwritten. You can get access to it. Read and read. And when it comes to Kannada and Hindi, the maximum questions will come from your textbook exercise only. Try to read and write more exercise question answers only, dear. Okay. So, like this you can able to do. Yes. So, Samra, yes. See, alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having triple bonds between carbon atoms, and you know what is molecular formula of benzene? It is C6H6 is the molecular formula of benzene, and this is structure. See, what is the special in this? You are having alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So, remember in benzene you are having what? Alternate double and single bonds, and each carbon has one H. So, that means you are having 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen, therefore it is what? C6H6. I hope you got it. Okay, Samra, I think you got it. Next, write the properties of ionic compounds. So, what is ionic bond? The bond which is formed by transfer of electrons from metals to non-metal, we call it as ionic bond. So, I have given the definition here. See, the bond formed by transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal is called as ionic bond. Example is NaCl, okay, MgCl2. Na, sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. So, if the transfer of electrons takes place from metals to non-metal, we call it as what? We call it as ionic bond. Okay. Now, coming to the properties. What are the properties of ionic bond? Now, can somebody tell what are the properties? See, the first property are they are generally solid and hard. Okay, you take this example of NaCl, salt, which is used in the house. So, salt is having what? It is the solid and it is hard. So, yes, so you can see here generally they are solid and hard. They have high melting and boiling point. Remember, ionic compounds have high melting and high boiling point, and they are soluble in water, so they do not melt easily, and if you just put them in water, they will dissolve. So, remember, they are soluble in water and insoluble in organic solvents such as petrol, diesel, okay, they will not dissolve. They do not conduct electricity in solid states. Remember, ionic compound in solid state they do not conduct electricity. So, like this you should write. Okay. So, first language Kannada summarized telling, definitely dear, in the subsequent discussion I will come up with the solution of what? The first language Kannada. Now, coming to the next one, give reason. Aluminum oxide is called amphoteric oxide. So, here if you write the definition of amphoteric oxide is sufficient. Okay. So, third language Kannada model question paper, Suma is asking. Yes, dear, definitely I will share the link of all the model question papers. You will get access. Yes, Nandi Baswa is telling, sir, they have a high, yes, very good. They do not conduct electricity due to the rigid structure. Tejas is telling, like this you are giving the very creative answers. Like this only you people should dedicate your time in answering the questions, so that you people will have the knowledge sharing here. Okay. So, very good, dear. So, sir, max model question paper part 2. Tomorrow I will come up with the max model question paper part 2. In one shot I will finish the entire discussion. Okay. In one shot I have planned to finish the entire max, then I will come up with solution of each question in detail. Okay, that is what the plan. Okay, so yes, Leelavati is asking, yes dear, I will just come tomorrow only. I will start, so that from Monday most of you are having your exams subsequently from this week or next week. So it will helpful for your preparatory as well as for your board exams also. Now, aluminum oxide is called amphoteric oxide because aluminum oxide is a metal oxide which reacts with both acid and base to give salt and water. Remember, aluminum oxide is the one which reacts with both acid. Why? Because they are ampho. Already you know amphibians. Amphibians means what? The amphibians means those are the animals which live both land and in water. Example, snake, frogs, we call them as amphibians. Ampho means both. Amphoteric oxides means the oxides which reacts with both acid as well as base to form salt and water. We call it as amphoteric oxides. The aluminum oxide. Can somebody let me know in the comment section which is the another amphoteric oxide? There are two examples mentioned in your textbook. So let me know other one. So I will just finish this, then I will come to the other one. Okay, I'll let you know the other example. Then second, calcium floats on water. Why calcium floats on water? So what makes when you add it in water? So why the calcium chunna? What we call calcium here is chunna. Okay, because the bubbles of hydrogen gas, as soon as you add to water, what will come? The hydrogen gas will get, which are formed during the reaction, stick the surface of calcium metal, and hence calcium floats on water. So this very deep question from metals and non-metals has been asked, and you can see from beginning to here maximum metals and non-metal questions have appeared. So you should be able to know this. Very good. Abraham is telling zinc oxide, that is the answer I was expecting. Remember, aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Not only aluminum oxide, there is one more metal oxide called zinc oxide. It is also an amphoteric oxide. So remember, zinc oxide and aluminum oxide are the examples for amphoteric oxide. Very good, Nitin, nice to see. Then Shashikala, very good. Ranganatha sir, please tomorrow explain deeply 4 and 5 mark questions in maths. Definitely dear, tomorrow my intention is part 2. I will finish all the 3 and 4. I will explain from the part 1 also. I have made the one short video, because if I start explaining one by one, it will take time. Okay, for that purpose I am cutting short the time. Tomorrow I will take long hours and I will finish all the maths questions from question number 1 to 38, and I will finish it up. Okay, so yes sir, if you, yes, most of you are Chetan, nice to see you dear. Hello, you are online. Now coming to next question. Draw the diagram of arrangement of apparatus used to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning and label zinc granule. So here remember, you can just see here like this. You should draw as it is from the textbook, it is copy pasted, and here you should just highlight what? Zinc granule, just label, and this the zinc granules you can find here, highlight, and figure is reaction of zinc granule with dilute H2SO4 and testing hydrogen gas by burning. Okay, like this the question is, and you can see this experiment is related to pop sound diagram. Remember, this experiment is related to what? Pop sound diagram. So it is because of hydrogen gas. You people know. Sir, if you please have all chapters important question PDF, definitely dear, I'll just share all the resources which I am having with me. So you can get access from the other from the subsequent channels which I have described in the description. Then among the materials, sodium carbonate, calcium oxychloride, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate hemihydride, which compound is used to make drinking water free from germs? So they have given many chemical names here. So which compound is used to make drinking water free from germ? It is calcium oxychloride. It is nothing but bleaching powder. So the chemical formula for bleaching powder is what? CaOCl2. Remember, if you have studied the uses of bleaching powder, we have discussed this lastly. It is the one which is used to make drinking water free from the germs. Then which compound is used in soda acid fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher, in order to lit off the fire, we use a fire extinguisher. So soda acid fire extinguisher, we are using sodium bicarbonate. It is called baking soda. Baking soda, we are having what? Sodium bicarbonate. Remember, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 will give you what? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay. Next is which compound does a doctor use to give support to fractured bones in the right position? It is calcium sulfate hemihydride. CaSO4 dot half H2O is the answer. It is also called as what? Plaster of Paris. I hope you got clarity. 3 questions, 3 marks directly will fetch here. Remember, these direct questions are very much important. Chetan is telling CaOCl2. Very good dear. Yes, like this you people should just uplift, and if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Okay. Now coming to summarize, asking for, yes, very good. Plaster of Paris, Chetan is telling, sir, how to contact personally you? You can just connect to this number dear, 8123426450 on the screen which is given. Rangnath is asking you, I'll just connect to you very soon. Okay, so yes, okay. Next one is the next question, that is write the differences between calcination and roasting. How is pure zinc metal obtained by this process? That is the question. See, calcination and roasting already I have discussed. So in the previous there was a question on zinc metal only, same thing here, but in a different way the question has been framed. Okay, so sir, first language model question paper 2 when sending, sir? Very soon I will be sending, dear Bhim, yes, I will be sending very soon. So let us finish with what the pending thing. Okay, math science I am focusing more now, then as soon as I finish I will come up with the languages also. Yes, Lilavati, yes dear, I will do that. Now calcination and roasting. Remember, calcination means what? C for calcination. How to remember this? C for calcination and C for carbonate ores. Remember, C for calcination and C for what? Carbonate ores. See, the ores are heated strongly in presence of limited air. Remember here the limited word should come, and it is used for especially for carbonate ores. Similarly, roasting means what? The ores are heated in presence of strongly in excess air. Excess means what? More air, and roasting is done for sulfide ores. Okay, so zinc sulfide was the one which has asked in previous model question paper, and there you have we have answered that. See, calcination is done to the ores which are heated in strongly in limited air, whereas for it is used for carbonate ore. Roasting, the ores are heated strongly in presence of excess air, that is more air. It is used for sulfide ores. Okay, I hope you people are connecting. Yes, so let us begin with the next question here. The next question is, how is pure zinc metal will be obtained by this process? See, after roasting, suppose if it is a zinc carbonate, you should go for calcination. If it is a zinc sulfide, you should go for roasting. Now, after roasting and calcination process, metals are converted. Here zinc metals, any metal is converted into its corresponding oxide. So zinc will become ZnO. Now that O should be reduced. So then this oxides reduced to corresponding metals by using suitable reducing agent such as carbon or coke. So you can use coke, C-O-K-E, coke. If you use this, then ZnO, if you add to coke, then this Zn and O will reduction process will happen. Zn plus CO, carbon monoxide you will get. Okay, I hope you people are connecting to me. If so, kindly like, share and subscribe. Now coming to the next question, that is explain the substitution reaction with an example. Explain the mechanism of cleaning action of soaps. See, what is substitution reaction? Substitution reaction is a reaction in which hydrogen atoms of a hydrocarbon are replaced by other items in presence of sunlight. So what is happening here? For example, you can see methane. When you just react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, you will get methyl chloride plus HCl. This is in presence of sunlight. See, chlorine replaces what? This chlorine, it has replaced one hydrogen from, there were actually 4 H. Now that 1 H has gone and 3 H has come. That means chlorine can replace the hydrogen atoms from methane one by one in presence of what? Sunlight. So this is what substitution reaction. One of the most important question which has come from the carbon and its compounds. You should know all the chemical properties. Okay, addition reaction, hydrogenation of oils, then oxidation reaction, then substitution reaction. 3 reactions you are having for your examination. All the 3 chemical properties you should know in detail. So difference between esterification and saponification. Yes dear, I'll let you know esterification. Esterification is process of forming esters. You take ethanol and ethanoic acid, mix them, you will get ester. Esters are the sweet smelling substances. They are used for flavoring agents. They are used for making perfume. In saponification, what will happen is you will get ester when you add to any base. Okay, you will get what? So if you add to any base, you will get that is sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, you will get soaps or detergents. Okay, so there is a small difference, but alcohol if you and acid if you mix, you will get esters. And when you mix ester with soap, okay, ester with any base, okay, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium oxide, you will get what? corresponding soaps. Okay, so yes sir, all subject model question paper very Lilavati, definitely dear, the more I am writing now, it requires 3 to 4 hours and minimum 5 to 6 hours to write, because I should write it neatly so that you people get to access to it easily. Okay, if I just take some more time for writing, I am in line with writing work, so very soon I will be uploading all the model question papers soon. Okay, now coming to the next one, see there is a yes, so mechanism of action of soap, sorry it has come here, then I will come to that question. See the mechanism of action of soap, the B question was from that. See, whenever they ask the soap question, you should be able and capable to draw the diagram, at least one of the diagram, and don't feel like it is looking like the biology class, it is a sperm. No, it is like the soap molecule. These are the figures of soap molecule. So this is what the charged end, ionic end, we call it as hydrophilic end. Hydro means water, philic means attraction, love, attraction, attachment group. That means this group will get attached to water. Hydrophobic end or group. Phobia means dar. Phobia means to stay away. Phobia. Okay. So hydrophobic means it stays away from water. If it is staying away from the water means what? It is staying with the dirt. This long chain hydrocarbon we call it as what? Hydrophobic group. Now this figure you can just see here, the long chain, what you can see here, this is just attracted to the dirt, where has the plus sign, what you indicate, the charged end, it is attracted towards the water. Like this you should be able to do. Yes, Kavita is online. Hi Kavita, nice to see you online dear. Now soaps, what are soaps? Definition of soaps has been written here. Like this only you should copy paste in your exam. What is the definition of soap? If any question is asked for 3 to 4 mark, remember what is asked for that you should provide the definition, that will fetch you 1 mark. Directly don't run to the answer. Any keyword, if they ask what are the properties of ionic bond, you should know the definition, or you should write the definition of ionic bond. So similarly, explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap they ask. You should know what are soaps first, then you should come to the answer. That gives the quality and creativity you have towards the subject. That is what I can guide you here. Missile, very good Zia, it is missile. Then yes, missiles. Okay, so spelling I just you want you to correct. Then see, soaps are sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. A soap molecule, this is a definition. So and remove it from the cloth, then the molecule of soap arrange themselves in the missile. See the missile formation and traps the dirt at the center of cluster. These missiles remain suspended in the water. You can find some kind of dirt particles in the water, that is nothing but because of the missile formation. I hope you got it. Then the one question, that is all question for this. Carbon atoms do not form C4 minus anion and C4 plus cation. Why? Write the electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule and ethene molecule. See, carbon atoms do not form C4 minus ion. If it forms C4 minus ion, what anion, what will happen? You should accept 4. So it is difficult for the carbon. Okay, because carbon can form, see, anion means A for anion, A for acceptor. Anions means those accept the electrons. Okay, cation means who give the electrons. Okay, here you should remember A for anion, A for acceptors. Those ions which accept the electrons, we call it as anion, negative sign. See, because carbon can gain 4 electrons, but it would be difficult for the nucleus with the 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons, that is 4 extra electrons. It is not possible. Similarly, there is one more question here, C4 plus cation. Cation means they are electron donors. See, carbon atoms do not form C4 plus cation because it can lose 4 electron. It can give 4 electron, but it doesn't left with anything. Okay, but it would require a large amount of energy to remove that 4 electron. So the carbon does not form C4 cation and C4 minus anion and C4 plus cation because it will share the electrons. Instead of giving and instead of accepting, no, I will not do anything. I will not give also, I will not accept also, I will share with you. I will eat something, you also eat same thing. So they will share. That sharing of electrons we call it as covalent bond, and carbon exists in covalent bond itself. I hope you got the clarity related to this. Then write the electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule. You know nitrogen atomic number is 7 and its electronic configuration is 2, 5 because 2 plus 5 is 7. Valency is 3. That means it needs 3 more electrons to become 8. Now, if it is valency is 3, it will share 3 electrons with others. So, nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, you are having 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it will share 3. Similarly, this nitrogen will share 3. So, in the box you can see in every circle they should have 8. So, this circle has 8 and this circle has 8 electron. So, nitrogen between them is having triple bond. So, there is a triple, which bond it is? Covalent bond. Similarly, carbon ethene molecule, not ethane, ethene, the chemical formula for ethene is what? C2H4. Carbon atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration is 2, 4, valency is 4. Similarly, hydrogen atomic number is 1, electronic configuration is 1, valency is 1, and you can see a carbon, it is having 4 dots, this carbon is having 4 dots, and each dot here you will be having what? One hydrogen, and there should be a double bond exists between the two. I hope you got clarity related to this one. Kindly practice more and more. I will come up with drawing of these structures very soon. So, in a couple of minutes I will join you again with the second biology class. So, I will be finishing all the questions in line. Okay. So, I hope I have made sufficient clarification. In 5 to 6 minutes I will come online and I will just start with the discussion of biology part. With that, all the questions from the model question paper 1 science and model question paper 2 science detailed discussion will finish. I hope you people are getting. So, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such classes of upliftment for the SSLC board examination of solving the previous year and the model question papers. Okay. So, any kind of doubt, suggestion, kindly put in the comment section, and if you want to still get uplifted with the scoring packages, passing package, previous prior question papers, the hard copies, 12 set of books you will get. You can just get it from the UDAAN books. Just kindly call or message to the number. Our team will definitely guide you, and I am the part of that. So, thank you. I will just meet you in 10 minutes. Thank you and take care.